funny animal story videos are very much popular to kids, getting thousands and millions of views on YouTube nowadays. After watching this video, you will able to make unlimited animal videos for kids for free. You don't need any technical skills. You will not need to think concept, write script, generate images, add voiceover, find background music, or even editing video. Everything will be automated with AI. This is the best AI for story generator as well as video generator. I was impressed after using this AI. I recommend you to use at least once in your life. You will find more ways for generating AI story video such as bedtime stories, AI cat stories, love stories, scary stories, superhero-based stories, etc. You will find the link in description. After clicking on that link, you will come to this registration page. Click on Sign In with Google button to easy sign up. You will come to this homepage. Click on Story Studio from left menu. Then click on New Story button and right top side, then AI will ask, what story are we creating today? Selecting first one. Then AI will ask, who is your story for? I wrote kids. Then AI will ask, what's your goal by creating this story? I am writing, give fun to kids. You can write anything you want. Then AI will ask, what genre the story should be. This is important part, you can select what genre you want. Every genre will provide different type of AI story. I am selecting children's story. On next box is most important part, input any idea you have. I am writing funny animal video. You can write whatever you want as your story and then click Generate Story Outline button will generate an AI story according your input. You will find your story outline is ready within few seconds. Check the story characters and story outline carefully. After satisfying, click on Create the Story button. Now select story format you want. Vertical is for shorts and horizontal is for standard video size. I am selecting horizontal, you can select what you want. Now select visual style of your story. There are 12 different visual styles. Every single style will make different types of story images. I recommend you to try every style one by one. I believe you will be wondered. I selected storybook style. Then click on Continue to Character Creator button. You will see characters of your story will start developing. It may take few minutes in free version. When you see your story characters ready, you can click on Continue to Storyboard button will start developing images automatically according to your story. It also take time 5 to 10 minutes in free version. I recommend you to upgrade to Pro annual plan if you satisfy after using this AI and have long run passion. AI made this so beautiful. This is our storyboard and video timeline. Let's check generated images. Wow, it's really outstanding as it is also without any effort. So in this way you can generate any story images and after satisfaction we will export it as video. When we will click on export, AI will add voiceover, background music, subtitles automatically. So this way you can make funny animal kids video. Our video will start rendering now. You can make any types of story you can imagine. This is the best AI story generator I found internet. I believe you will also love this AI. I recommend you to use this AI at least once in your life. If you have any confusion, you can ask me on comment. I will reply each comment one by one, and if this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel. Let's watch the final video.
Mischievous Max, known for his antics, receives a surprising task from Principal Mrs. Owl. The young turtles eagerly wait as Mischievous Max begins his unorthodox teaching methods. Concerned whispers fill the air as parents question the efficiency of Mischievous Max's teaching. Maximum Monkey grapples with the challenge of proving his capabilities amidst growing doubts. Principal Mrs. Owl and the young turtles unite to help Maximum Monkey succeed in his teaching endeavors. Maximum Monkey dedicates himself to studying proper teaching techniques, driven by a newfound determination. Maximum Monkey surprises everyone with his newfound teaching skills, captivating the young turtles with his patience and clarity. The turtles' parents have a change of heart as they witness the positive impact of Maximum Monkey's teaching on their children.
How was that?
Maximum Monkey's
If I get 100 comments in this video for you, I have a giveaway of free pro plan of this AI for write yes and your opinion in comment section. Thank you for watching.